In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know how to connect a supported bank for automatic feeds or set up a manual account if your bank isn't available. This will help you keep your books accurate and up to date with minimal effort. Start in your Zoho Books dashboard and look to the left pane. Click Banking, then select Connect Bank or Credit Card. This is your central hub for managing financial accounts. And it's where you can set up new connections quickly and confidently. When you're ready, click Connect Now. Zoho Books will display a list of supported banks and credit card providers that can send transaction data directly into your books. If you see your bank on the list, selecting it allows you to set up an automatic bank feed. Once connected, new transactions will flow into Zoho Books on a regular basis, so you can review and categorize them without manual uploads. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct institution and region, especially if your bank has multiple variants. This simple verification helps prevent mismatches and keeps your balances aligned with your statements. If your bank isn't listed, or it's not supported by one of the third-party bank feed providers, don't worry. Choose Add Account to create it manually. You'll be prompted to enter key details such as the account type, the account name, the account code, the currency, and any other relevant fields. Pick an account type that reflects how you use it, checking, savings, or credit card, and use a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Match the account code to your chart of account structure, and double-check the currency so your reporting remains consistent. With a manual account, there's no live data feed. That means you'll import your statements and sort the transactions yourself each time. To make this smooth, keep a regular schedule for importing, save your bank's statement files in a consistent format, and apply the same categorization logic across months so your reports remain clean and comparable. The more consistent you are, the faster reconciliation becomes. And there you go. Whether you connected a supported bank for automatic feeds or added your bank manually, you've successfully added a bank in Zoho Books. You can now monitor balances from the banking section and categorize transactions as they appear or after each import. That's all. Simple, clear, and ready to help you stay on top of your finances.